Back to my channel, and today we are going down to the back creek, and my name is Marcus if you haven't known yet. I'm meaning to show you the back creek for the last day I've had this for, and I'd like to show you now. What we set down here is fish traps. There's a snapping turtle down there, and we reckon there's sightings of a crocodile, and we've been trying to catch it.
Oh, that's a log.
Yeah. We put fishing traps out. We've caught fish, little fish, big fish. We've caught yabby, but now we haven't seemed to catch any. We think it's like out of season and stuff. I'm gonna stay away from the water a bit.
Go back!
So then, oh, whoa! It's going up heaps. Do you want to get that crate? This is the back creek.
Oh, yes, lift up the concrete. I'll move my phone here. Come down.
You have to. My phone's on.
Just come down.
No.
Yeah.
And that's where the crocodile was in there. We saw the grass move real hard. We saw the snapping turtle up around here somewhere. Max is just getting that. So it's really, really scary down here. Yeah, we head down here at night once, and it was like full moon, and all we could see was like freaking like things jumping everywhere. It would look like amazing, man. Like, you couldn't believe it. I mean it. There was all these things jump, yellow, blue, green, and everything.
Here.
Oh my god, it was like amazing, man. That was like so cool. Someone's playing with that trap. What? People stealing traps. What?
See the rock down there?
Tree would have come, snapped it. Yeah, that branch hasn't been there. And that?
I don't think I can reach that one.
That hasn't either.
Yeah,
Guys, crab pot's down there. Tree's full.
I think if I can reach that long stick
in there, and if we're gonna try to get a long stick, we're gonna try to grab it. Oh my god, people these days, man, they just steal shit. Back creek, that's about it. Yeah, Max is trying to get that. I'll come over here, show you some. Pardon? He got it. Come over here to try to see if he's got anything. Got anything?
No.
Wait, yeah.
I got it.
Oh, what about the other trap? The other trap's gone, man. Oh my god. People, man. People.
Simply.
Grab it quick. Yeah, he just threw it out there and the thing went down.
I can't get it.
Why?
Wait, move.
Get down. Max, quick, before it freaking breaks. Ducks are always around here. We saw feathers in the water, so we reckon freaking...
Can't get it.
have you got a stick or
It's
something?
floating.
It's a bit muddy. Some going down again. Oh, he's just gonna get that. We made clay in that. We made some stuff. Was that all that stuff's in there that when we used it? We have not came down here for like ages, man. Like, look how much the water's raised. The water used to be all the way back down there. And now it's all the way up here, see? Oh my god.
Should we start building our last
Last time, come over here, Max. Guys, down here. Yeah, I know, right? There. We made a fire right there. We made a fire right there. homes just over there, and smoke was everywhere. I was kidding, guys. Who would make a fire in the back creek? If the grass lit on fire, you're dead, man. But that's
why we dug
the holes there, and then we had a
There's a
log,
tree.
and the log's not here no more. Yeah, who would light a fire in the creek, near the creek, and it, like you can make like a trail, dead grass, imagine that, and then it goes, he would. So, yeah, we're into survival a lot, eh, Max? Oi, what's up that big? Some snakes, brah. Snakes, brah. I don't know how long this video is going for. Is that a creek crossing?
That's usually where the water goes into here.
Oh, no, it doesn't look like it.
I think that's cotton plants.
What?
Dead cotton.
That is too.
See if I can catch them.
Yeah. Let's have a look.
No, they're like half pieces.
Do you think you could try to get that one? Oh yeah, let's go. Some cotton. I'm gonna try to get some cotton. Quick, Max. What is it? Is it? Grab the big bits. Some good bits, Max. What? Grab one of the plants. No, just grab some of it. Oh, snap, man. Can't feel that. Oh, guys, here, look.
Oh, we can walk down there.
That's, yeah, I know. That is cotton. A cotton stick. Chuck it there. Oh my god. We can make a blanket with this stuff, man. Max, we better get going. Grab the cotton. Yeah, quick. Can't you step a little bit further?
No, it was a big ditch.
So run, Max. You guys, he's running. Hopefully no one's to wrestle.
What's it?
Yeah. But you can make blankets out of that. Yeah, I thought we
Definitely
feel.
putting this on.
Whoa, man.